Hi, my name is Valerie. I will like to introduce you today on agricultural drones. Before to present and explain you slide by slide the product, let's see first these short video example of how an agricultural drone work.
搞鋪係咪前置資尾啊？A B 點？A B 點？個 A B 點佢唔肯咬喎，係我咬喎，係啊，我咬喎。啊，你哋 A B 點就咁定啊？我哋 A B 點部機喺度窒下窒下㗎，轉彎喎。一轉彎嗰陣啊，佢要停兩下㗎。哦，係咁㗎，係咁㗎。飛得快嗰陣啊？佢係定位要準確啲嘛。哦。即係你嗰度每一秒有幾多米啊？呢度係4米，4米唔得，我哋起碼都5至6米。你咁啊，埋到邊嗰度咪轉彎嘅。
We have 3 models of agricultural drone. Three different functions are available with 3 different containers: to spray liquid farming chemical, to spray powder, to deliver granular fertilizer, to deliver seeds, and so on. Using the large power motor and the carbon fiber propeller, it not provides only strong power to the drones, but also has a powerful downward wind that act on professional windproof nozzle at the bottom of the blades. In this way it can effectively reduce the pesticide fog rolled up by the rotor flow, and make the penetrability of chemical most stronger, cover even and improve the effect of spray, also prevent the pesticide residue on the drone, to ensure the safe contact of the drone. After the obstacle detected from 20 meters away, the drone will brake automatically and hover in front of the obstacle in 3-meter distance. Do not move the lever of the remote controller. After manually avoiding the obstacle, the drone will automatically to the route point. To have more information, you can contact me by this email. Thanks.